there comes an important day in every baby's life. The day they taste food for the very first time. Something other than milk. It may seem simple, but it marks a turning point in the development of their digestive and immune systems. Before 6 months of age, a baby's stomach is not yet ready to handle solid food, and their immune system can't fully distinguish between safe food and harmful substances. That's why introducing food earlier is not recommended. Signs of readiness are clear. The baby can sit up without support, can hold their head steady, and shows curiosity and interest when seeing food. Once these signs appear, you can start gradually. Begin with simple foods containing only one ingredient, such as zucchini, sweet potato, carrot, or mashed apple. Offer one type every 3 days to monitor for any allergic reaction. Start with a small spoonful and increase the amount gradually according to the baby's acceptance. Completely avoid salt. It puts unnecessary strain on the kidneys. Sugar and juices, they raise blood sugar and disrupt hunger signals in the brain. Honey, it may contain Clostridium botulinum spores, which can cause infant botulism. Packaged or processed foods, even those labeled for babies. Make the experience calm and pleasant. Do not force your baby to eat if they refuse. Let them explore the food with their hands and get used to its texture. The goal isn't how much they eat, it's how they learn to enjoy and trust food. Remember, every spoonful you offer is a new lesson for their body and mind, and the beginning of a healthy relationship with food.